we're diving into the top biotechnology jobs that are set to boom in 2025-26. It's really exciting stuff.
Absolutely thrilled to chat about this. What's causing such a buzz in the biotech industry right now?
Well, it's fascinating. The biotech industry is on the brink of massive expansion thanks to advancements in genetic engineering, personalized medicine, and sustainable agriculture. We're seeing breakthroughs, especially with gene editing tools like CRISPR.
CRISPR, right? That's the gene editing technology that's been making headlines. Can you tell us more about how it's influencing job growth?
Yeah, so CRISPR has really revolutionized how we can edit genes with precision.
Yeah.
This is opening up opportunities for roles like CRISPR technicians and genetic engineers.
Interesting. So who would be ideal candidates for these jobs?
Well, these positions are great for biologists, molecular scientists, and engineers who are passionate about genetic research.
Right.
They need skills in CRISPR-Cas9 systems, gene therapy, molecular cloning, and cell culture techniques.
That's quite specialized. What about other roles? Are there opportunities for those with a background in data science?
Absolutely. Genomic data scientists are in high demand. With the surge in high-throughput sequencing technologies, interpreting vast genomic datasets is crucial. So if you have expertise in bioinformatics, genomics, or computational biology, this could be a perfect fit.
That's fantastic. And what kind of skills would a genomic data scientist need?
They'd need proficiency in programming, statistical analysis, machine learning, and familiarity with genomics databases like Ensemble and the UCSC Genome Browser. So quite a combination of biology and data science.
It's amazing how interdisciplinary biotech is becoming. Are there roles that involve artificial intelligence?
Yes. AI specialists in biotech are transforming the industry. AI is changing how companies analyze data, predict drug interactions, and optimize processes. It's revolutionizing drug discovery and development.
Wow. So, for someone with a background in AI or machine learning, there's a place in biotech?
Exactly. If you're a data scientist or an AI professional interested in life sciences, you can contribute significantly.
Yeah.
Skills in AI tools, predictive modeling, and integrating AI into drug discovery are essential.
That's really exciting. But, aren't there challenges integrating AI into biotech?
Well, sure, there are challenges, but the potential benefits outweigh them.
I see.
AI can handle complex datasets much faster and more accurately than traditional methods.
True. So, what other jobs are set to boom? Any that focus on sustainability?
Yes. Agricultural biotechnologists are becoming increasingly important. With the need for sustainable food production and climate-resistant crops, their role is crucial. They work on genetic engineering, plant breeding, and biotechnology tools to improve agriculture.
That's so vital, especially with current environmental concerns. What about synthetic biology? Is that field growing too?
Oh, definitely. Synthetic biologists are revolutionizing biotech with applications in biofuel production, synthetic vaccines, and engineered microorganisms. It's a field it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Incredible. So, who should consider a career in synthetic biology?
Those with backgrounds in molecular biology, engineering, or chemistry who are focused on innovation in biomaterials.
I see.
Skills in gene circuit design, DNA synthesis, and metabolic pathway engineering are key.
It sounds like the biotech field is really expanding opportunities for diverse backgrounds. But, is there a risk of overspecialization?
That's a fair point. While specialization is important, the interdisciplinary nature of biotech means that adaptable skills are highly valued. Employers are looking for professionals who can bridge multiple areas.
That makes sense. So, are there opportunities for those more interested in the clinical side of things?
Absolutely. Clinical trials. Data managers are in high demand. With the growing complexity of clinical trials for new therapeutics, efficient data management is essential. Biostatisticians, data analysts, or clinical researchers can excel here.
And what skills are needed for that role?
Familiarity with clinical data standards, statistical tools, and regulatory protocols.
Got it.
It's about ensuring data integrity and compliance.
So, in summary, the biotech industry is offering a wealth of opportunities in the coming years.
Exactly. It's a dynamic sector that's ideal for graduates, master's students, PhD candidates, and experienced professionals across various disciplines.
Yeah.
The key is to have the right skills and a passion for innovation.
Speaking of skills, how can people acquire or enhance these skills to be competitive in the job market?
Well, organizations like BDG Lifesciences offer workshops and training programs to help people master these essential skills.
Oh, right.
They provide hands-on experience with cutting-edge tools and technologies.
That's great. So they bridge the gap between academic knowledge and real-world requirements?
Exactly. They help professionals build a competitive edge, boost employability, and prepare for the booming biotech job market of 2025-26. It's an excellent investment in one's future.
Sounds promising. But do you think everyone needs to attend such programs? Can't some learn on the job?
Well, on-the-job learning is valuable, but with the rapid advancements in biotech, structured training can accelerate understanding and proficiency.
I suppose.
It's like having a map in a new city. You can wander and find your way eventually, but a map helps you get there faster.
True, that's a good point. So, what would be your advice for someone looking to enter the biotech field now?
I'd say identify the area that excites you the most, and then, acquire the necessary skills through education and practical experience.
Yeah,
Stay updated with industry trends and be adaptable.
that's solid advice. The biotech industry seems not just exciting, but also meaningful in terms of contributions to society.
Absolutely. It's not just about career growth, but also making a positive impact on health, agriculture, and the environment.
Right.
It's rewarding on many levels.
Well, this has been enlightening. Thanks for sharing all this information.
My pleasure. It's been great talking about these promising opportunities. I'm excited to see how the biotech industry evolves in the coming years.
Me too. Can't wait to see what's next.